Yes!
Woo! We have created fire! So it's not out yet.
Yeah. Okay, so back to starting the bike. It's been how long? A month?
It feels like years.
Feels like years. So the first problem is I can't get the starter motor to reliably engage. So I thought it was grounding, and I redid all the grounds. There's the bike. We will shortly put it on the ramp. There's Darryl.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Remember to like and subscribe.
Hey, I get like hundreds of people now. It's cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, so here is the starter motor, which I've just pulled apart to have a look in. And blown it out to try and clean it as much as possible. So I just want to put it back together.
Yeah, we really are just clutching at straws.
Big time, yeah, big time. Okay.
Yeah.
And that, I assume, is some kind of indicator there.
I assume so. So the other holes should be that difficult to line up. Okay. So we assume the big one is at the bottom. Why are we assuming that? Because it fits both ways. That feels better, to be honest. Two people. Maybe I'll just put this on first. All right. Okay, let's just double check we've got juice here. 12.85, so we are good. All right, so we put the positive there. Okay, we expect a few sparks. Ready, steady, nothing. Absolutely sweet blow off. Not, oh,
I know.
Okay, so it's buggered. Must be buggered, right? Must be. Do that first. Nope.
Yeah, there's a little spark there. It's not convinced there.
I am just
Try
so,
this
so
one again.
confused.
Just go sparky with these.
Okay.
Maybe not always. Try again.
Surely it's supposed to spark. How bizarre. Okay, so I'm struggling to understand batteries all of a sudden. What the hell?
The thing is, there's nothing that can break.
Well, there is the brushes or something like that, maybe. But I mean, why is it not sparking? Alright, so what have you found?
So I think this connection, because it gets twisted around, is not as
It's not fully
as connected as it could
It
be.
won't get enough stuff.
So what
Okay.
we're doing is we're just gonna take this little
Ooh,
spot
fitted
of,
nice. Do you want another one?
I've flattened it.
Two of them?
Might do, yeah.
Okay, I'll get another one.
So
So
now-
is it not going to pull apart when you put it in?
Well, no, because it just bends.
Just okay. So that looks quite good. You've done a good job
I think we're all right.
there. Okay, let's give it a go. That's interesting.
Yeah, but that's good. That shows
That shows that is
that does
connected, yeah.
actually connect.
Okay. I don't know if we can prove anything more than that.
Yeah.
I think we just try and put it back together and see. Failing that, I will we'll park it and we'll
Yeah.
come back to that after I've bought a replacement starter motor.
So this goes down. It is fixed.
Well, it's not fixed.
Well, it's unpredictably fixed.
It's very confusing. Let's watch. It's working. So we take this off. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, and again. But the WTF? Because now it's working every time, and it wasn't working every time a second ago.
Well, I did magic, remember?
You did magic.
Maybe just the magic needed to charge. The magic needed to build up.
So let's do the other battery. Okay.
Totally different environment. Totally different rules. Maybe it's because I'm holding it.
Maybe
it's
grounding you.
Fortunately, it's only 12 volts. It just sting a
Okay.
little.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I was born ready, dude.
Me too, dude. Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Let's put it on the bike and see what happens. Okay. Now, the other thing that I tested is that these screws, these bolts, actually do transmit energy, because I suddenly had a horrible feeling I've got like aluminium ones or something where they don't actually translate, but these do. They are steel. Okay, that's a good ground. Okay, so let's.
If it's current, it'll work.
Everything is plugged as I believe it should be. So we'll give this current.
No, stay focused. You want this to come to ground here.
All right. So this one goes to ground, which is
There. That one there.
there we go. Did you hear the click? Listen.
Yeah.
There's a click there. Okay. So clickety click. Now
The trick.
nothing. There are lights in there. The lights are on. So nothing.
Yeah, the lights are on.
So nothing comes from here. It's not starting. Okay. So what else does it need? The key is on. That has been engaged. That's on. Start. I guess we just trace all the keys. Trace
You know,
all the
you
wires.
can just hit the starter.
Yes, but that's not going to help me progress the bike.
No, I know.
Do you want to try that? Should we try hit the starter
Yeah.
and see what happens? Or not? Yay! Woohoo!
Okay. Things. Okay, so now it's wiring, right?
I think that's positive and that's negative. So we'll put that over there. Okay, this should then close that
Yeah.
thing. Do you want to come over a close look?
Let me
There.
bring the camera.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so it won't. That's good news because there's no key.
It's
no.
not attaching.
Okay.
Connectors.
Does it say RS there? The bottom?
K100 RS and
Okay,
RT
that's-
models.
So fuses here. Are those fuses?
No. Ignition coils.
No, it's a different bike.
Headlights. Starter, battery, horn relay, fuel injection, flasher unit, gear, front. Can't see it, man.
There's the starter motor. There's a starter relay. See, there's 58. Okay, so there's 86 and 87 are those big black wires. Where do they go? Do you have 9?
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, well, 8.
And then you got the brown one, which is here.
Yeah.
But there's 2 going into the
So
brown one.
I've got white,
Okay, yeah, white.
blue, well, yeah. Oh, that's a flasher unit.
Okay, well, so they are. So what's interesting is there are 7, but number 4, which is on the end, doesn't appear to be connected to anything.
It's just got this red.
Well, let's look at the colours. There you go. Colours at the back. So there's two greens.
Two greens.
Green yellow, and green black. Okay, I found it.
Find it?
No, might be wrong. Ooh, the top one is the kill switch. There's the 50 amp that's unused. Stoplight, bulb monitoring, etc. Hear the click?
Yes, there is a
Okay,
click.
click on.
I'm so excited!
Why is it doing it with... Yes! Yes! Woo!
We have created fire! Oh, look, all the lights and everything.
Woo! Okay, that was a bloody fuse. Okay, you can go.
Floating a dance of happiness.
Put the tank on, fuel in, start.
And go. Shoot. Oh man.
The bike start. Well, it doesn't start.
Well,
the starter
it
motor turns. That's all it does.
Yeah, but the engine.
Well, the rain is back. We've had flooding here in Auckland. So hopefully it won't flood again today. Looks like it's going to be a bad day of rain though. Anyway, great news that we got the bike bloody. Well, we didn't get it started by a long way. I think there's going to be multiple steps to get it started, but at least we got the starter motor to start, which means there are sufficiently correct things connected up for that to be allowed. Anyway, yeah, onward and upward.